Top 5 cheap JDM cars to buy if you're broke or budgeting in 2023. Number 5. 1993 Subaru Impreza WRX. Subaru made a game-changing decision in the early 90s by entering the Impreza into the World Rally Championship. This move marked the beginning of the iconic Impreza WRX models in 1992, which have become a cornerstone of the company's lineup. Originally available as a sedan and later as a hatchback, the Impreza WRX stole the spotlight immediately thanks to its impressive features. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and equipped with an all-wheel drive system, this car delivered an exhilarating performance, producing 240 horsepower and 228 pounds-foot of torque. Notably, the Impreza WRX also offered a manual transmission, a true delight for driving enthusiasts. Starting at just over $5,000, this remarkable vehicle can achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour speed in 5.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 143 miles per hour. An impressive feat considering the era in which it was born. Number 4. 1998 Suzuki Alto Works. In Japan and South Asian countries, Suzuki is a popular and well-known brand. The Suzuki Alto Works, a compact hatchback, is an impressive and nimble car that resembles the Renault 5. With its 0.66-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine, it generates 64 horsepower and 63 pounds-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 12.5 seconds and has a top speed of 85 miles per hour. Its small size and effective electric rack and pinion steering system make it easy to handle. Like most K cars, the Alto Works has the potential for even more performance with tuning. Among its variants, the Alto Works stands out as the fastest and provides an enjoyable driving experience. Number 3. 1996 Honda Beat. Discover the thrill of K cars, Japan's top choice for compact yet powerful vehicles. K cars are the smallest and most nimble on the highway, adhering to strict dimensions and engine capacity regulations. Join the excitement with the Beat, a JDM marvel that defies expectations. Equipped with a 0.66-liter inline-3 engine delivering 63 horsepower, this car may be small, but it's big on performance. And with Honda's multi-throttle responsive engine control system and a manual transmission, the Beat guarantees an exhilarating driving experience. Get behind the wheel and experience the joy of K cars firsthand. Number 2. 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini. The Mitsubishi Pajero Mini, a unique example of 90s mini SUVs from Japan. While SUVs are currently dominating the automotive market, the trend actually started in Japan back in the 90s. However, these Japanese SUVs were quite different from the ones we are familiar with today. These were mini SUVs, smaller vehicles that never made their way to the United States. One fantastic example of these unique cars is the Mitsubishi Pajero Mini. Number 1. 1997 Honda Prelude Type S. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, Japanese automakers fiercely competed for dominance in the rapidly expanding and affordable sports car market. Honda recognized this opportunity and in 1978 introduced the Prelude. While the Prelude made a significant impact, it faced criticism for lacking sufficient speed. To address this concern, Honda introduced the special Prelude Type S exclusively for the Japanese market. Equipped with a powerful 2.2-liter H22A four-cylinder tech engine, the Prelude Type S boasted an impressive output of 217 horsepower and 163 pounds-foot of torque. This resulted in an exhilarating driving experience. Power was transmitted to the front wheels through a 5-speed manual transmission. Notable features of the Prelude Type S included an active torque transfer system and an active anti-lock braking system. With its impressive performance capabilities, the Prelude Type S could achieve a top speed of 140 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds. A true force to be reckoned with on the road. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe